Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. This is the Els family. Today I am excited. I want to show you how you can use 3 ingredients from your kitchen to maintain your hair and that of your kids. This is my second trial and I can guarantee you that I am not disappointed in the result. These ingredients are onion oil, aloe vera gel, and olive oil. This mixture is amazing and the result is mind blowing. My daughter's hair used to be very strong and very difficult to work with, but after I tried this mixture, the texture of her hair changed. In this video, I will show you how I apply this mixture and also tell you the benefits of these ingredients. So if you're interested, please keep watching, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so for more tips. In this video, I will show you how I mixed these 3 lovely ingredients together, and I sprayed water on my daughter's hair. I used my hand to massage her scalp for a bit and sectioned the hair, and I'm using my fingers to detangle her hair because I get scared of using comb sometimes. After that, I applied our lovely mixture on her hair. The benefits of aloe vera gel or of aloe vera is it strengthens the hair because of its rich minerals. It also controls greasy hair. It protects your hair from UV damage, hair growth, and also helps an itchy scalp. Due to its moisturizing properties and nourishing vitamins, aloe vera can also be used as treatment for dry skin and hair. It also helps with dandruff. Oh my god. Olive oil, the other hand, helps to moisturize your hair, reduces damage and breakage, gives shine to your hair and softness, increase hair growth, also fewer slits ends and less dandruff. My goodness, these ingredients are so amazing. Onion oil is rich in sulfur and potassium and helps hair growth. It also prevents breakage, slit ends, and thinning of hair. Massaging the scalp with onion oil improves blood circulation to the follicles and promotes hair growth. These ingredients are so amazing, and yes, I can tell you my daughter's hair is better now. I can work with it, it's easier. After the first trial, I noticed that it became very soft than before and easy to work with. After I finished massaging the scalp with this mixture, I twisted every part of it and used a shower cap to cover it overnight. The next day, I washed it and styled her hair. If you liked this video or if you're going to try this mixture, please give a thumbs up and let us know after you've tried it. Let us know your comments, please, for other people to learn also, to know that it works. Thank you very much for watching. We're grateful. And please remember to subscribe to our channel for more tips and for more videos. We love you. Do have a lovely day. And your hair is going to thank you after this. I'll show you. Bye.